Welcome to my virtual frog dissection by me, Lavender from period 5. So first we're gonna cut open the frog. So now that we have open the frog, we're gonna take out the liver. The liver. This is how the liver looks like onto your right. And the liver is made up of three structures and is the main part of the frog's body. It makes this digestive juice called bile, and bile helps digest the frog's food. The liver also helps make glucose for the frog, which is a big deal for the frog because without glucose, the frog would not be able to function as well. It also helps remove stuff that isn't good for the frog's body. So now we're taking out the heart. Here's what the heart looks like. The heart has three chambers, and the chamber helps pump the blood for the frog, so the frog could get oxygen. The frog does have two types of blood, which is oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. And these two types of blood will mix because the heart is a three-chambered heart. Next is the gallbladder. This is what the gallbladder like, and the gallbladder is usually small. It helps digest fat and break it down. It also stores bile, which is made from what I have talked before, the liver. Now we're taking out the stomach. Here's what the stomach looks like. The stomach helps break down the frog's food, and it makes this digestive chemical to help digest certain foods and certain part of the food, and it actually makes the digestive chemical before it starts digesting anything. Now we're taking out the small intestines. Here's the small intestine. And the small intestine helps fully digest the frog's food, and it has nutrients to spread throughout the frog's body. Here's the fat. Here now we're taking out the fat bodies. The fat bodies helps the frog a lot. It comes in hand when the frog is low on resources and when the body needs like something to like eat, or like when the frog needs something to like eat, the fat body is there because it helps store fat. And the fat body also helps reproduce cells. We're taking out the spleen now. So this is what the spleen looks like. The spleen is located under the stomach, and it helps recycle the frog's old blood cells. The spleen also makes new blood cells for the frogs. We have just taken out the large intestines. The large intestine does their job. It receives and digests waste, and it also stores food that haven't been fully digested. The organ also absorbs water from the waste, from the food, the undigested food that I have got. Now we're taking out the lungs. The lungs help the frog a lot because without the lungs, the frog would not be able to inhale the oxygen they get, and their oxygen enters through the nerve, which is their nose, and the oxygen is moved by blood cells. Then carbon dioxide will help it be exhaled when it passes through the lungs. Now last but least, we're taking out the kidneys. The kidneys is the last organ that is taken out, and the kidney usually helps the frog's urine leave the body. It also helps to clean and remove the waste and salt from the frog's blood. Thanks for watching.